Hi, my name is Calvin Egg from Neverville, Manitoba, and honestly, I'm a chicken salesman. As part of my job, I do a fair bit of driving. In fact, I put over 460,000 kilometers on my 1992 Saturn. Most of those kilometers are on gravel and dirt roads in pretty rugged country. That Saturn was dependable, and those rust and dent-resistant side panels had a lot to do with its spring chicken good looks. Over the last 5 years, I must have put 1,000 chickens in that car. Now, I'm driving a new Saturn, a 97 wagon. With any luck, it will take me as far as my first Saturn did. And most importantly, the chicks just love it. As far as I'm concerned, in a perfect world, anybody who eats 2 eggs a day should drive a Saturn.